Hey everyone, Matt King with the Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you just search for King Piers LLC, you can take a look at all of our previous projects, current projects, before and after videos. It's a great tool to educate yourselves. But while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We're out here with another update in Harrisonville, Missouri. So as you can see, we have our first of three sections of the stone foundation wall completely rebuilt back to vertical. We actually went ahead and got the brand new window and window well installed. So that is looking very, very nice. And now we've simply moved all of our supports over to the next section. We've got it all taken down. So we'll make sure that we have a nice high-strength concrete footing made. And we'll start getting all of this stone rebuilt back to vertical. Once that is done, we will take the supports down, move them back over to this section right here. I don't know how well it's coming across in the video, but you can really see that a lot of the bulging starting right around here underneath the window. So we'll get that torn down and rebuilt. And then the final thing that we're going to be doing out here on this project, we still probably have a little bit we need to excavate on the floor and get the rest of the gravel out here. We have 5 areas where we're going to be creating some 2x2, 2-foot deep, high-strength concrete footings. So we'll do a little bit of extra digging there for our permanent 6x6 support beams. But once that is all ready, we're going to do a brand new high-strength concrete floor down here over the basement, and that's going to really be a nice change from the gravel that you see right now. So still a little bit left to do. Once the walls are rebuilt, should go very quickly after that. So stay tuned for more updates. Again, you can always find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels at King Piers LLC. Again, while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget, you can always call us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.